Today is Monday, April 2nd. The time is 7:38 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Crown Royale Hockey break number 6. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcssportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Flames, Jerome Ignola. Penguins, Sidney Crosby. All the King's Men, New York Rangers, Hendrik Ludacris. Jersey, Predators, Matthias Ekholm. Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Taves. Big hit for the Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Autograph, serial number 15/99. Blackhawks, Tony Esposito. Blue Jackets, Jeff Carter. Avalanche, Paul Stastny. Canadiens, David Descherness. Lords of the NHL, Blue Jackets, Rick Nash. Jersey, Flames, Jerome Ignola. Red Crown. Flyers, Ilya Bregunov. And the last pack, Taylor Hall, Oilers. Pekka Ryan, Predators. Heirs to the Throne, Derek Stepan, Rangers. Jersey. With redemption, we'll save that for the end of the pack. Lords of the NHL, Daniel Sedin. Canucks, Marc-Andre Fleury. Penguins, Anze Kopitar. Kings. The redemption is for rookie royalty signatures, card number 156. Let me look it up on the checklist. Card number 156 is Matt Franton. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently, for 2011-12 hockey box breaks, I have Panini Certified and Panini Limited. I will be listing another Crown Royale box later on this week. If anyone's interested in football box breaks, for 2011 football box breaks, I have Panini Gold Standard, the brand new Panini Prime Signatures, the brand new Panini Totally Certified, Panini Limited, Panini Crown Royale.